Welcome back to Purple Tube. We got some snow here in upstate New York. Just a disclaimer, there is adult language used in the filming of this video. Have a great day. There's a good 3 feet of snow. I can't even see the waterfall. I can't even let my dogs out. And they have to go potty. Wow. Well, it looks like I'm gonna be busy. Holy shit. Too much snow. Trying to shovel a path to go potty. I think Ginger just braved her way right through it. No, that was Ruby. Ruby's crazy. I know, you guys. I gotta shovel a path. It's too cold. You guys are going to get too cold. I know you gotta go potty. I gotta shovel a path. Ruby found her way through. See, Ruby made a path. Poor babies. What a poor babies. Ruby Roo. She's like, how do I get back over there? Oh, poor bear. There is too much snow. So like, how do I get over to Ruby? Mac, are you seriously gonna go through? If you do, I'm sending this to Funniest Home Videos. What's the matter, Ruby? Can you not find your way through? You just barreled right through. I know, I'm gonna help you guys. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Let me make a path. So this snow goes up to my waist. You can't even see the waterfall over there. Lay easy. Easy. Come back this way, guys. Puppies! Puppies! There's the bear. Hi, guys. You liking the snow? Whoa, where'd Karma go? Oh, no, you're all snowy, girlie. You guys are going to need hot chocolate. I'm just kidding. Dogs cannot have chocolate. But you can have coffee. You dogs love coffee. But you're not really going to get it. I'm just trying to get you warm. So much snow. And it's too much at once. You can't even see my grills on that patio. There's a cool design on the pond. Yeah, this is my porch. And there's snow all around it. So this snow goes to my waist. This is all snow in one night. Can't even see my waterfall. Oh wait, there's grills on that patio? It's a cool pattern on the ice and the water. Whoa. Holy shit. And it's still coming down. What are you guys doing over there? Ruby! There's the Roo. Oh wait, you're Ginger. You guys are crazy. This is too cold. So the 3 puppies are 1 year old today. These 2 wrestling right here, Karma and Bear. Then Ruby's the one over there. Then Mac and Ginger are their parents. And Piper, she's 11. Her birthday's not until March, and she'll be 12. Crazy dogs. I wish I had that much energy. Look at my camper. Look at my house. Too much snow at one time. I will post a picture of my vehicles. I can't even see them. At least there's a path underneath there that they could go potty. Because all they did was walk through there. That is way too much snow for me to do by myself. They are crazy dogs. So this door opens out, so I was able to get to my electricity slash where the water pump is room. Then I started to shovel a path and said fuck this because I have nowhere to go. And it right here goes to my waist. So yeah, I am not going to worry about it. Those are the vehicles. There's no way that I'm going to be getting over to them. This is way too much snow for one time. There was no snow on the ground last night. Now, this. Like, this is ridiculous. This is upstate New York, and these are the winters that we get. Here is the waterfall. I had to slow the video down because it was only a quick one. The phone froze while I was out by the waterfall. Now let's go out the front door. Yeah. Way too much snow. All at once. And there's my vehicles. An SUV and a truck. I can't even tell what they are. I'm glad I don't have to go anywhere today. Over there is the door that I was trying to shovel from. We are all inside and staying warm. The dogs were having fun playing out in the snow. Me, on the other hand, I do not like to have to shovel. It hurts my back way too much. I have scoliosis, deteriorating discs in my spine and my neck, and fibromyalgia, so it is not fun. Shit happens, life goes on. Thank you for watching my video. I hope everybody has a great day. Stay warm, stay healthy. Peace out.